Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the newest launch from Kay Beauty. I was super excited about this launch. I love almost all the products from Kay Beauty. मतलब मैंने I think almost सारे ही products try किए हुए हैं Kay Beauty के. I think एक या दो product नहीं try किए होंगे, but I like all the products, like their powders, their blushes, highlighters, everything I like. So I was super excited about this launch. I wanted them to launch a foundation, a base product, and finally they came out with a foundation. So Kay Beauty recently launched this foundation. So this is their hydrating foundation. This one is enriched with avocado and mango butter, which is common to for all their products. Like उनके दूसरे products में भी same ingredients रहते हैं, avocado and mango butter. So Kay Beauty launched this foundation recently only, and I quickly got this foundation. Like जैसे मैंने देखा ना कि ये foundation launch हो गया नायका पे, उसी वक्त I quickly found out my shade and I placed the order for this, and I got this foundation yesterday only. So I'll be showing you the demo of this foundation, and I'll do a wear test also for this foundation in today's video. So if you're interested, please keep on watching this video. So this one is Kay Beauty Hydrating Foundation. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. The packaging is standard Kay Beauty packaging. So here you can see Kay Beauty logo is there, and this part is brown, I think because this is a foundation, and you can find all other details on the back side of the foundation. Unlike any other product, they actually mention the price on the outer packaging. मतलब मैंने notice किया है कि Kay Beauty के प्रोडक्ट्स पे ना प्राइस मेंशन नहीं रहती है. मैंने कुछ प्रोडक्ट पे नोटिस किया है, बट ऑन दिस वन आई कैन सी द प्राइस इज मेंशन. सो दिस फाउंडेशन रिटेल्स फॉर 1200 rupees, and you get 30 gram of product in this. The shelf life of this foundation is 3 years. Let me show you how it looks from inside. So when you open it, you see this foam here. So it comes in this with this foam packaging, which will keep your foundation very secure. So when you remove it, here is the foundation. I really love the packaging. It is very basic packaging, but it looks very, classy, as you can see. So it comes with this white color cap. It's a see-through bottle, and here Kay Beauty's logo is there. And this is a glass packaging, so it feels very heavy and it feels very nice to hold. काफी luxurious packaging लगती है. It feels like a high-end foundation actually. So packaging is really good, and when you open it, you get a pump. Yes, it comes with a pump. थोड़ा गंदा हो गया because I have used this foundation. I'm wearing this foundation only on my face. So it comes with a pump, which is a very good thing. I don't like the foundation which doesn't come with a pump, because sometimes you need to pour the foundation and you can't control the quantity you get, and that spatula also which you get, it's not very hygienic. But this packaging is very hygienic, and because of this pump you can easily control the amount of the foundation you want to use. So I really love this pump in the packaging, and this cap shuts properly like this, and it doesn't open, इतना आसानी से ओपन नहीं होगा. सो इट इज़ travel friendly as well in that way. Like total travel friendly तो नहीं है because it's a glass packaging, but because of this properly closed cap, it won't open in your bags and it won't spoil your other things. So that way it is travel friendly, but glass packaging है तो उतना तो travel friendly है नहीं. थोड़ा सा तो थोड़ा सा तो risk है when you are traveling with this foundation because of the glass packaging, but the packaging is very good. Now let's talk about the shade range. They have come out with 20 different shades. I know it's still not enough if you compare the range from the international brands. International brands come out with like 30-40 shades. It's still not enough, but being an Indian brand, I think it's a good start. 20 shades they have launched. It's a very good start, I would say. Indian brands generally इतने सारे shades launch नहीं करते हैं. They come out with like 5 shades. Nykaa came out with 15 shades, which was also good. But this time Kay Beauty has launched 20 shades, which I am very happy about. Now there is one thing with the shade range, like even if you come out with 40 shades, right, but if you don't get the undertone right, if you don't get the overtones right, 40 shades भी ना enough नहीं होंगे. हर किसी skin tone के लिए perfect shade नहीं मिल पाएगा. But if you come out with 20 shades, and if you get the undertone correct, if you get the overtone correct, 20 shades will also be enough. So I think having a huge shade range is not enough. You need to get the shades right. So if your shades are right and if you're coming out with 20 shades, that is also, I think it's a good thing. And that's what I feel with this shade range from K Beauty. Although I didn't get all the shades because I don't get PR, but I could buy only one shade. But I looked at the shade chart and everything, and by looking at the shade chart I feel कि आपको आपकी स्किन टोन से मैच करता हुआ शेड इस शेड रेंज में मिल जाना चाहिए. Now selecting your shade in this foundation online will be little bit of easy for you because of the way they have come up with the shade names. For example, the shade I have is 135N medium. So 135 here is the number, N is the undertone. So they have like three categories, three undertones: P, N and Y. P means pink undertone, N means neutral undertone, which I am, and Y means yellow undertone. So if you know your undertone, you can select the shade. And the third part of the name, which is medium, talks about the overtone. So they have categorized all the shades in four categories. So they have like light, medium, tan and deep. So they have these four categories, and in each categories they have different shades for different undertones. Like I'll tell you, for example, they have 145N medium. So if you are medium undertone, neutral if you are medium skin tone, neutral undertone, 145 is the number. Then if you are tan and yellow undertone, 155Y10, which has tan as in skin tone, Y as undertone, yellow undertone. So this way it will be little easy for you to select your shade. You can just look at the shade chart of your skin type and you'll be able to figure out the shade. That's how I also figured out my shade, and it matches me pretty well. So you can also do the same thing. Now let's see what they claim about this foundation. So they say it's a natural hydrated dewy finish, lightweight and second skin feel. It's ultra creamy luxurious texture. It locks in moisture. It is all day comfortable wear. It is natural to high buildable coverage. It provides natural to high buildable coverage. It blurs imperfection, and it is perfect for all skin types. So those are the claims of this foundation. So as they claim, the texture of this foundation is actually very creamy and it actually feels very luxurious. You will feel like you are using some high-end foundation. काफी ज़्यादा smooth and creamy texture है, and it's not at all a runny or liquidy foundation. It has a very thick creamy texture. So I'm wearing this foundation on my face currently. I'm wearing this shade 135 and medium on my face. So let's see the demo and application of this foundation, and then I'll talk more about this foundation. So I've applied moisturizer on my face and I did my eyebrows. I'm not wearing any kind of strobing cream or anything because I want to see how much glow this foundation actually provides, how much dewy it looks, how much glowy it looks on the face. So that's why I'm not wearing any strobing cream. And I have also primed my face using this primer. This is from Smashbox. This is one of my favorite primers, so I wanted to give this foundation a fair chance. That's why I used this primer, because I know this works really well for my skin, and I always wear primer under my foundation, so that's why I'm trying this foundation with primer only. Apart from that, I'm not wearing any makeup on my face right now, so I'll apply this foundation using a beauty sponge on one side of my face and using a brush on the other side. So let's use the foundation. So I'm taking one pump of this foundation first on back of my hand. So I'll take full pump. Okay, nothing came. Actually not much amount came this time because the pump was not working. You actually need to push it like 2-3 times to get the product for the first time only. So let's try once more. Okay, so this is how the consistency of the foundation is. It's not a liquidy or runny foundation. It seems very thick. Yeah, it seems very thick and it feels very smooth and creamy. So let me apply this. This shade seems like a pretty good match, so I applied the full pump on one side. Now I'll blend this using this sponge first. So the sponge I'm using is from YBP. I generally use this sponge only to blend my foundation. That's why today as well I'm using this only. Wow, this foundation blended so quickly. I am taking whatever is left on my hand. So this is how the foundation look with one layer when I blend it with the sponge. I would say it doesn't give much coverage. It's like very sheer to medium coverage. But the foundation is looking really pretty on the face. It's looking very natural. It doesn't feel heavy. And you can see it is providing little bit of glow as well. You can see the different side. This side of my face has little bit more glow than this side, but the coverage is not much. You can easily see these blemishes I have peeking through. So let's now apply the foundation on this side, and then I'll apply one more layer of the foundation to see how much we can build up the coverage with this foundation. So I'm taking one more pump. So I took this much, and this time I'll use a brush to apply foundation on the other side. So first I'll just dot it. So I'm using this brush from Real Techniques to blend this foundation. This foundation has some kind of, cooling effect to it. Like when I'm blending it, I feel it is giving some kind of cooling effect. So with brush as well, it was very easy to blend this foundation. I didn't have to put a lot of effort to blend the foundation. It was blending like a dream. It is very easy to blend this. बहुत ही easily and बहुत ही जल्दी blend हो जा रहा है foundation. And this is how this foundation looks on this side where I blended it with a brush. Honestly, I don't see much different between these two sides. Like sponge side and brush side both look very similar to me. Generally, जो foundation की finish रहती है ना, that looks little different when you blend it with a sponge than a brush. But with this foundation, I see both the sides are looking really good. Coverage wise, I think both beauty sponge and brush give a very similar coverage, just that brush side has a little bit of more coverage because beauty sponge generally absorb a little bit of product, but बहुत ज़्यादा difference मुझे coverage में नहीं दिख रहा है. And both the sides look very natural and yeah, very skin like. It looks very beautiful, and it is providing little bit of glow as well to the face. So yeah, it is looking really good, and the coverage is not a full coverage like I already told you. It is sheer to medium coverage. I'll apply one more layer of this foundation and we'll see how much we can build it up. By the way, I have little bit of foundation left from the brush side, so let's apply this. Okay, so let's take some more foundation. So I'm taking this much. I'll only apply the second layer of the foundation in this area because I want more coverage on this area only. Rest of the face is fine. So this is how this side of my face looks like with two layers of the foundation. It is still not giving full coverage, but it has covered these marks quite well. But still not a full coverage foundation, and it is still looking very natural and skin like, not looking cakey at all, and it was again very easy to blend. Yeah, it looks very very fresh and natural and skin like. It doesn't look like that I'm wearing any foundation, because this shade also matches me perfectly. It's my perfect shade. The undertone is right, the overtone is right, everything is so perfect. I think this is my perfect shade match. Now let's apply one more layer of the foundation on this side. So I have this much foundation left, so I'll first use this only. Again, concentrating the foundation only in this area where I actually need more coverage. Very small amount of the foundation, only a dot, just to have equal amount on both the side. This is how the brush side of my face looks like after 2 layers of foundation. Again, the same thing, the coverage is still not full, but still looking very natural, very nice, not at all cakey, and very easy to blend. तो coverage by wise जो brush side है उसमें थोड़ी सी coverage ज़्यादा मिली है than the sponge side, but otherwise both are looking very similar. Yeah, it's a really pretty foundation. I don't see it is sticking to any dry areas on my face. Like, everything looks very flawless. Everything looks very nice, very natural, and skin like very flawless. Not sticking to any dry patches, not looking cakey even after applying 2 layers of the foundation, and it is looking very glowy. So you can see it is providing a little bit of glow as well to the face. So let me give you a closer look how this foundation is looking like on my skin. So I'll quickly complete rest of my makeup and come back. So yeah guys, I'm back with full face of makeup. Everything applied very easily on top of this foundation. I wore this full face of makeup और सब कुछ बहुत easily apply हो गया, बहुत easily blend हो गया. There was no difficulty at all, and this is how the foundation looking like. अभी तो ये फाउंडेशन काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है स्किन पे. आई डोंट थिंक इट हैज़ ऑक्सीडाइज्ड ऑन माई फेस, and it is not clinging to any dry patches, not settling into any lines. Like generally smile lines में foundation set हो जाते हैं, but not happening. Around the nose also it's not settling. So अभी तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है foundation. Now the application of this foundation was very easy, both with brush and beauty sponge. It was very easy to apply and blend the foundation. बहुत ही easily blend हो गया था. It actually blends like a dream. You don't need to put a lot of effort to blend this foundation. बहुत ही जल्दी, बहुत ही easily blend हो जाता है. Now the coverage, you don't get full coverage with this foundation. Anyway, they don't claim that it will give you full coverage, but you can easily build up the coverage. I applied 2 layers of this foundation, and it was still looking very natural. It was not looking cakey. You can see, right? It's not looking cakey or anything. It still looks natural, and I'm wearing 2 layers of the foundation. Still, it doesn't feel heavy. I won't say it feel like you're not wearing anything, like you're not wearing foundation. You will feel like you're wearing foundation, you're wearing something on the face, but still it is very lightweight. It's not heavy, and it doesn't feel dry on the face. Like I think because of the hyaluronic acid it has, it doesn't feel very drying on the face. I won't say it feels hydrating as such, but it doesn't feel dry on the face, and it looks very nice. It looks very skin like, very natural, and yeah, I really love the way it is looking on my face. It's not a matte foundation, and it won't give you dewy finish as well, like that illuminating finish. It won't give you that kind of finish. So I think it will be a good foundation for all skin type according to me. If you are dry skin, it will be a good foundation, since it's not a matte foundation. It doesn't feel dry because of the hyaluronic acid it has. And if you are a oily skin type, I think you can also wear this foundation. But if your skin is too oily, I would recommend you to go and apply the foundation and check for yourself, because I'm not sure how this foundation will work for you if you have too oily skin. They don't claim that for how long this foundation will wear. They have not given a number like 8 hours or 16 hours or anything, but they claim that it's a long lasting formula. So I'll be wearing this foundation for rest of the day. So currently it is 4:30. I'm wearing this makeup already for like 1 hour or something, because I was filming some other video. So I'm wearing this makeup, wearing this foundation already from 1 hour, and I'll wear this for rest of the day as well. I'll try to wear this foundation for as long as possible. At least I'll try to wear it for 6 hours or something, and I'll do check-ins. So I'll show you how this foundation is looking throughout the day. So guys, it's around 7. It's actually 6:44, around 7, and I have been wearing this foundation from last 3.5 or 4 hours, and this is how it is looking. So I can see the foundation is still looking good on my face. It has not moved from anywhere, and I don't see it is settling into my fine lines. It has settled a little bit around my nose, not too much, but still good. My under eye area is creasing, but that is because of the concealer, not the foundation. And everywhere else it is looking good. It is looking intact and still looking beautiful. My face is looking little glowy, not oily or greasy or anything. A little bit glowy my face is looking, but the foundation is looking really good overall till now. So guys, this is 10:49, nearly 11, and this is how my foundation is looking like. So I can see that foundation is still there. It is still not moved from anywhere. Like I can still see the foundation on my face, and again it is not settling anywhere, not clinging to any dark patches, not settling, just that around the nose it has settled a little bit, and my face is looking a little more shiny than before. So it's not looking oily or anything, but it has become little shiny on this area. Also, I have not set my face with the powder today. I only applied powder under the eyes. बाकी मैंने कहीं भी powder apply नहीं किया था. So yeah, it is looking little more shiny in this area. So I think if you have too oily skin, this foundation might not work for you, because I have combination skin, and after wearing this foundation for like 7 hours, my face looks like this. So if you have too oily skin, this might not work for you, or you might have to touch up your foundation time to time. Yeah, you can set your foundation really well and touch up after some time. So this way you can wear it for a long time. But for other skin type, I think it's a good foundation. It is actually a long wearing foundation. I can still see the foundation on my face, and it is still looking good. I can just powder my face a little bit and it will be good. So yeah, overall I think it's a good foundation. It is again a very lightweight and very natural looking foundation, and yeah, it lasts also for pretty good time. So overall I think it's a good foundation, a good formula, and you can totally check it out. Now if you talk about the price point, this retails for 1200 rupees, which I know is very costly, but considering the formula, the finish and everything, I think the price is okay. But if you still don't want to spend 1200 rupees on this foundation, you can always look for discount. K beauty पे डिस्काउंट्स आते ही रहते हैं. अभी तो आपको डिस्काउंट नहीं मिलेगा बिकॉज इट्स अ न्यू लॉन्च, बट यू कैन वेट फॉर सम टाइम, and then after some time they'll definitely give some discount on the foundation as well. And if you want to try this foundation, you can purchase it that time at a little less price, so you can always look for discount. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video and this review was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you'll be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.